So I just started and I wasn't recording. I did about 5 minutes and then checked. As you guys know, or I don't know if you've seen it, I'm always getting up and checking that I'm recording. Should I check I'm recording now? I will. I am recording. So you missed me eating a mince pie. It's probably a good thing. But yeah, nice hot cup of tea in my mushroom mug again. I was just going to show you. So Toft I've managed to keep up with. Well, I haven't done today's, but it's still quite early. I did the beaver from Crafty Kit Company. And I did use some of the wool from the car that I didn't do as a core wool inside. So odd conversation going on here. So your one might be a bit smaller than mine. But yeah, he's really cute and sweet. And then I did the mouse from the felt box. Let me just show you the picture. And so I did him. And, you know, I'm not spending hours on these things, but, you know, he is cute. I did a slightly different face and the cotton reel's really sweet. I like that wrapped around his tail. So I'm up to date on those. I'm just, Santa paws should have been done by today, 15 and 16. No, he should have been done yesterday. So I'm just a little bit behind, but I do like Santa paws, so I'll do him. Right, what else? Oh yes, I was just going to show you Seth the sheep. Also, I don't know if you saw, let me just take the book out because it's a little bit awkward. I bought this off Crafty Clegs Creations, Jeanette, and it's a Catherine Hill material, but it's so beautiful. And as she said, it isn't Christmassy, but it is Christmassy because it's got snow on it. It can be used all through winter, so it's really beautiful colours. So Seth is in that. I don't know if I showed you, that's why. But I bought the Toft book, so it's got 18 crochet sheep patterns. I have asked for some other sheep for Christmas, well, for the wools for the sheep. Let me just show you. Oh, well, no, I can't show you all of it, but there's that one. Let me show you Seth all finished. Yeah, this is Seth. Let me cover up the pattern side of it, but there we go. That's what I'm aiming for. It's a lot of curls. And here he is. I've done another night or two on him. Let's get that out of the way. There we go. So he's got a few more, but I think this is the worst bit because it's the biggest area, and then I've got to do his tummy and his head. But I like how they're turning out, so they're good. And I've got 2 more balls of wool, so I've got enough wool, so that's good. But I sit down at night and sometimes I'm just too tired to do him, and my shoulder's been hurting a bit. I went for a massage because I hurt my shoulder several years ago from doing too much felting. I know. So I have to watch myself, so I can't do too much. Right, did I say welcome to Vlogmas day 16? I don't think I did. Oh, I'm not with it. Right, I didn't sleep well. The felt box, day 16. Let's open up. So I don't open the envelope till 17. Oh, nice bright colour. Look at that. There's something in it. You can feel there's something inside it. Oh, what's it going to be? Oh, sometimes I think maybe they shouldn't wrap these things up. Can you see? It's all sort of caught up in there. But I guess that's the only way they're going to get them in the box. What on earth is this? Okay. Oh, I can tell. Right, let's get these out. Oh, they're really caught up. Hang on. I think we can tell what these are. This is cute. Sorry about the blue wool. 2 little feet. And lovely blue wool. Let me tell you what wool that is. It is shade number 89. Normally they put the names of the shades, but that's a real sort of royal blue colour. So that's nice. Let's put those aside. That's obviously something we might have to make tomorrow. Oh, the candle. Doesn't really smell. Espresso martini. No, I can't really smell that one, which, I mean, all the others have really been quite strong. Right, Barn to Yarn, Winter in the Wool Merino Tops. So Barn to Yarn, Winter in the Woods Merino Tops. Let's rip it open. Oh, wow. Oh, I haven't seen that colour before. Look at that. I hope the light's all okay for you. I'm sure it is. That's a green, like a forest green with some white in it. I don't know if they make up these shades themselves or if they purchase them in, but I haven't seen that anywhere else. That's lovely. Really, really nice. That's a real Christmas tree colour. Put that aside. Now, where do we go next? Crafty Kit Company, so it's a new one. Day 16. Twinkling and bright, I adorn the night, strung across spaces to spread festive light. What am I? Let's open it up. Oh, lots and lots of colours. Oh, lots of colours. So we've got red, yellow, orange, pink, blue and green, and we've got some thread. So let's get the picture. I think you can work out what it is. Oh, let's go past that train. Santa Paws does look very cute. I will do Santa Paws. So, mini Christmas lights. Very sweet. And yeah, it's just a day you have for that, not too difficult. So you could sort of hang them in your tree. Oh, that's, oh, I know that colour. That's a mixture green. It's got green and blue and yellow in it. I know that one from World of Wool. Right, so that's lovely. Loads of colours. Toft, day 16. Now, also, I have to say, on one of the early days, I got that little rose thing, and I didn't see that anywhere else on anyone else's. So I think I've revealed something early to anyone who has Toft and is watching. I went into my bag and I shook all the others, and one of the boxes was empty. So that rose had fallen out, this is bizarre, and fallen into a box of wool. I don't know how that would have happened. It could have, because the boxes sort of are slightly open, some of them like that. So I really apologise if you've seen that. I think that's meant for day 20 something. Right, day 16 of Toft. Ooh, oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's very pretty. So yesterday we got the pin badge. I've just put it up there. I showed you it all yesterday. Go and have a look. And then the 3 days before, let me just show you this one. So this is a little tiny Toft, what would you call it? Key thing. It's a stitch marker, I suppose. Yeah, sorry, because I'm should think about things like that. It's a stitch marker. So it's a little tiny stitch marker with a T on it. I'll see, hopefully you can see it, and if not, I'll take a picture like I did the other day. I love all of their cards, all of the designs. Everything's really beautiful. I have put my 3 tree ornaments on my tree. I'll show you those now. And yeah, you know, they look fine. They look very nice. They go on my gold tree. And my tree downstairs, I'm putting sort of most of these felts are going down there. And my tree downstairs is looking very felty, very festive and very felty. Right, oh, let's read first. I have to read the World of Wool thing before I open it and talk to you, because otherwise I get it all wrong. So, day 16, Tomte. So Tomte, yeah. Oh, this is good. Tomte, right. And then, yet again, lovely house designs on the back. Right, let me just read. So Tomte, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, are keepers of the house and farm who are said to help with chores, providing that people don't get in their way and treat their home and animals well. While they are happy to help, if they aren't looked after in return, or if the home residents around them don't appreciate them, they are known to play tricks on them. So Tomte. So we have got Shetland. Let me just open it first. Oh, wow. No, I thought they had a Christmas colour early on. This is a Christmas colour. So this has got reds and greens. It is shiny. Wow, there's a lot of colours in this. Let's see if you can see that for a start. And then see if you can see all of the colours in there. So we have got Shetland, South American, mulberry silk, viscose, merino and tussar silk. So there is a lot going on in that one. So the red kind of comes out sort of pink when you really sort of pull it apart and spread it wider. Because I always find that if I'm using it as a coat, oh, see, look, it's so lovely, like that. When the colours get spread, so the red sort of almost goes to a sort of pink. But yeah, very beautiful. So that's Tomte. Day 16. We are cracking through. And last but not least, Creative Anarchy. This one hasn't popped open. Some of them are opening in the packet. Right, let me get the book. Where's the book? There it is. So the book, Day 16, Lake Margins. So lake margins would be the vegetation around the edge, I suppose. Ooh. Oh, wow. Now we're getting some blues. Here we are. I was trying to go a bit slower when I was showing it to you. I like to curl it up. It's got blues and whites and greens. Look at that. Really nice. Now, I have taken the items, the other mini skeins, however you say it, off the ribbon, and I've put them all in here because the ribbon, well, it was starting to get too many, and I am probably going to reorder. So there's that one in there. What was yesterday's? I think that was yesterday's. So very similar. You can see that it changes each day and morphs into the new colour. So I am probably going to change the order a bit. So I'm going to wait till I've got all of them. So we've got 16. So another 10 to go. Well, sorry, 8 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I've got a big skein as well, which I don't know what colour that will be. So what I'm going to do is, or make with them, because I think people were asking, and I can show you this part of it. Hang on a sec. And this was courtesy of Helen from Giddy Yarns, but also I think Ali from Little Drops of Wonderful, or This Wonderful Life, might have shown it as well. So Ali did a video on 10 crochet. I don't know if it's just shawls or shawls and blankets. I think it was shawls and blankets. And then I saw Helen talk about this one as well. And this is the Just Feel Festive shawl from, what's her name? From Kalisha Ryan, Quirky Monday Crafts. And I bought it on Etsy and it was just £1. And it's ideal for 24 mini skeins for Advent. And it looks good. And the pattern is sort of on a slant, and I think it's going to be something I'm going to be able to do, definitely. So yeah, £1 this cost for this pattern. It's, you know, really lovely, and it's a really simple 2-row repeat, I think. Not that I know that much about patterns. Right, so that's it. That's everything. Let's have a sip of tea. So a bit of a quiet 2 days. I've had a couple of orders over the weekend, which is great. Got another one to pack up now. I still haven't made up my Highland Cow kits. I'm going to try and do that today. I've got to make 2 videos from my Patreons still, and obviously get this edited and up. We've managed to send some Christmas cards. We literally only send to family now these days. We used to send to lots of other people, but I just don't see the point. I just send to a few family members. So we've done that, and I've wrapped some presents. Still got a few more bits to do, but I'm really happy the wreath was done. Thank you for all your kind messages about the wreath. It's quite big, you know. I think I need to make it a bit smaller next year. But that's it for now. I am here tomorrow and then travelling on Wednesday. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if I can take my laptop with me, whether I don't think I should do. I think I'm going to be able to upload. Otherwise, there might be a little gap. That's all I can say. And I might pop one up tomorrow or something. But Have a lovely couple of days. Happy Vlogmas, and thank you for being here as always. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you're enjoying the series, which I have had some absolutely stunning comments, especially about the village. Obviously, I only show you the nicest parts of the village. I don't show you the dustbins and things like that. It's not perfect, but it is a very pretty village in Yorkshire. We're very lucky. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good few days. Take care and see you soon. Bye.